Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with a new chapter of environmental studies, chapter number 14, and the title of this chapter is I will take care. So this is the first part of this chapter. So first we will do reading practice through this video. So let's start the video. Hi, I am Dayanand. Do you know which planet do we live on? We live on the earth. It is very important to take care of our earth. The earth provides us with everything we need. So through this, do you know that the title of this chapter is I will take care. We should take care of our earth because the earth provides us so many things which we need. Now come to the next page. People, harming, harming, the earth in many ways ways. People are harming the earth in many ways. They are destroying, destroying forests, forests, constructing, constructing, buildings, buildings, and railway, railway, railway tracks. They, throwing, throwing, garbage, into, rivers, making the water, dirty, and killing many, water, animals. In this paragraph, people are harming the earth in many ways. They are destroying forests for constructing buildings and railway tracks. They are throwing garbage into rivers, making the water dirty and killing many water animals. Can you see the smoke coming out of these vehicles? Can you see the smoke coming out of these vehicles? These smoke is harmful, harmful for us, and our environment, environment. Now come to the next page. Do you know, know, do you know that we can save our earth by following some rules? Do you know that we can save our earth by following some rules? Rule number 1, we can keep our neighborhood, neighborhood clean, clean, and green by PLANTING planting, TREES trees, and THROWING throwing, GARBAG garbage, into a DUSTBIN dustbin. We can keep our neighborhood clean and green by planting trees and throwing garbage into a dustbin. Rule number 2. Second rule is WEVSHOULD should, NOT not, THROW throw, AWAY away, the THINGS things, WHICH which, we can reuse, reuse, like paper, and plastic, plastic, bottles, bottles, reusing, reusing, things, things, is also CALLED called recycling, RECYCLING, recycling. Now come to the next page. Rule number 3. WEVCAN, also SAVE, save our earth by not wasting, water, wasting water. It means we can also save our earth by not wasting water. VSHOULD should, SAVE save, ELECTRICITY electricity, by SWITCHING switching, OFF off, FANS fans, and LIGHTS lights, WHEN when, NOT not, in USC huge. Our PLANET planet is beautiful. Let us take good care of it. So students, it was the reading practice. All of you will also read this chapter to know about this chapter properly. Actually, through this chapter, we will learn about how can we take care of earth, our earth, where we live, because this is precious, which provided by the nature. All things available on this earth. So this is our responsibility. How can we keep our earth green and clean? How can we keep our environment clean and fresh? To keep our environment clean, we should planting more and more trees. We should clean water resources. We should clean water resources at regular interval of time, like this. So students, in next video we will do some exercise of this chapter. All of you will read this chapter first carefully and underline the hard words. Thank you. Bye.